The BRDRC airdrop system for DJI Mini 4 Pro drone is an innovative accessory that enhances the functionality of your DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Perfect for a variety of applications, this remote control thrower allows you to deliver items like fish bait, gifts, food, and even wedding rings from the sky. Whether you're using it for advertising, fishing, or emergency rescue operations, the airdrop system offers a reliable, lightweight, and safe way to remotely dispatch items from your drone. Designed specifically for the DJI Mini 4 Pro, this USB-charged airdrop system is equipped with a quick-release feature for easy installation and removal, making it a convenient tool for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. The system features a landing gear that raises the fuselage by 14 mm, helping prevent debris from contaminating or damaging your drone during takeoff and landing. With a 150 mAh built-in battery, this system can be used for up to 300 drops on a single charge, making it highly efficient for multiple tasks. Whether you're using it for fun or functional purposes, the BRDRC airdrop system is an essential accessory for anyone looking to enhance the capabilities of their DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Key features of the BRDRC airdrop system for DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Versatile use, remotely dispatch items like fish bait, gifts, food, or wedding rings with ease. Perfect for advertising, rescue missions, and delivery services. Quick release and USB charging, easy installation and removal with USB charging for convenience and quick setup. Lightweight and safe. Designed to be lightweight, this system doesn't add unnecessary weight to the drone or cause damage, ensuring smooth and safe operation. Enhanced landing gear. The 14 mm heightened landing gear helps protect the drone during takeoff and landing by preventing debris from contaminating or damaging the gimbal and fuselage. Long standby and flight time. 150 mAh built-in battery provides a standby time of 12 hours, with about 300 drops per charge and 1.5 hours charging time. Specifications. Maximum load, 100 grams. Built-in battery capacity, 150 mAh. Standby time, 12 hours. Drops per charge, approx 300 drops. Charging time, 1.5 hours. Landing gear height, 14 mm, to protect the drone. USB charging, yes, for easy power-up. Included in the box. Airdrop system. Landing gear set. USB charging cable. Long hanging wire hook. Traffic circle. Contact establishment piece. Synopsis manual. The BRDRC airdrop system for DJI Mini 4 Pro drone is the perfect accessory for anyone looking to expand the functionality of their DJI Mini 4 Pro. Whether you're using it for fishing, gift-giving, emergency deliveries, or other creative purposes, this lightweight, easy-to-use system will add a new level of versatility to your drone. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more drone accessories, reviews, and flying tips.